Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix VALORANT Mobile crashing on mobile. So here follow the fixes. The first fix is to simply restart your Android device. So simply restart your phone, and after your phone restart, you can launch the VALORANT app and check. Second solution is to check for VALORANT mobile app update. So from wherever you have installed the VALORANT mobile app, simply check for any update, and if there are any update available, then update it. Third solution is to check internet connection. So make sure that your internet is working properly. If you are connected to Wi-Fi, then switch to mobile data and then launch VALORANT Mobile and check. If you are connected to mobile data, then switch to Wi-Fi and then you can launch VALORANT Mobile and check. If possible, you can also try to connect to different Wi-Fi or mobile data via hotspot and then check VALORANT Mobile is working or not. Next solution is to clear VALORANT mobile app cache. To do so, tap and hold VALORANT mobile app icon, then click on app info, then go to storage usage, then click on clear cache and then click on clear data and confirm it. Now you can launch VALORANT mobile and check. Sixth solution is to connect to a VPN. So open Play Store, tap on search for VPN, and you can install any repeated VPN from here, such as Node VPN, Surfshark VPN, Proton VPN, BPass VPN, and launch the VPN app. And after launching the VPN app, select the other location than the current location and connect to it, and then you can launch VALORANT mobile app and check it is working or not, or the crashing issue has been fixed or not. If you are already connected to a VPN, then disconnect it and then launch VALORANT mobile app and check. So by this way you can fix VALORANT mobile app crashing issue on mobile. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.